Hello people of Earth, this is Dan Lockhart of the Honda Valkyrie Dan Lockhart YouTube channel, and I have one more thing that I'm going to install on my bike before I get started on my riding season. I wanted to get something that would give me some relief in holding the throttle open on the longer rides. And you can get electronic cruise control, but I think it's pretty expensive to get them, and you know, it probably costs a lot of money to get it installed. So I bought this product. It's called Breakaway, and it's a mechanical, they call it cruise control, but you can also call it a throttle lock. In my opinion, that's probably more an accurate statement to call it a throttle lock.
Some folks call it a sling blade. I call it a kaiser blade.
The way that this thing works is it has a ring that goes around the throttle, and it grips, when you set it, it grips the throttle and holds the throttle in whatever position you had it in. And then what happens is there's a little cam on the bottom of it that rides along the brake lever. And when you squeeze that brake lever, the little cam trips itself and it opens that inner ring and allows the throttle to return back to a neutral position. Well, let's take a quick look at what we have in the package here. This is what it comes in right here. I've got the instructions right here and the parts list right here. Let's go ahead and open this up real quick. They give you a set of the Allen wrenches that you'll need, and there's 4 different ring types in the packaging. They said that you shouldn't install this on any bike that hasn't been installed and tested. And in the Amazon order site, it had the Valkyrie listed in there as a bike that it was acceptable and, to be installed on. So this is the actual device right here. Right here. Okay. I'm turn it this way. And this ring is the part that goes around the throttle, and then it's got these 2 levers over here, one's to set it, one's to release it. You can release it manually, you don't have to depend on the cam underneath the brake lever to release it. But that's a thought, to automate the process, is to install it so that when you squeeze that front brake lever, it opens that ring back up, allows that throttle to come back to a neutral position. So this is the part that connects to the brake lever bracket right here, and then this part here actually connects to this piece here. And so I said there's 4 different rings here. You select the one that best fits your bike. Allen wrenches and a couple of screws, the device itself, and the instruction. That's what's in the packaging. So I watched their installation video that they had a link to on Amazon that goes out to a YouTube video, and I've also read the instructions over a couple times. So it looks like it'd be a relatively simple install, unless I have to move my brake lever over a little bit or something. I think the installation in itself will probably take, with the adjustments and everything, maybe a half an hour to an hour. So that's kind of what I'm counting on. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. But if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Let me know what you think, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot. You have a good day. Bye-bye. No, I don't think we're going to get this one today, boys and girls. It's just not going to work. There's no way. No way. Too bad. Let's do some quick math. Well, it turns out I got the wrong part number. The PN7CB05 is not the right part. right part number is C7P01. And so I've got that one on order.
Some folks called it a sling blade. I call it a Kaiser blade.